few of his biggest fans. Get your earplugs ready and take a look.
What's up, Ellen? Justin here.
What do you mean?
I'm gonna be giving these free tickets away for my show on Friday, so and I'll be surprising these fans, so I'm gonna be in the back here hiding. Shh, don't tell anybody.
Don't cry, it's not fun. Oh my God. Okay, you're gonna stand right there. You're gonna look at me. Okay. Why are you such a big Justin Bieber fan? Oh, there's just like so many things, like his hair, his eyes, his personality, like he's so like loving towards his like fans.
I have been the biggest Justin Bieber fan since like 2009. I started when I was like 13 years old. I like absolutely love him. Justin has such a big heart and he's just so inspirational. I love his smile, his face, his humor, his abs. I would literally buy his songs over and over again so they would reach #1. So every time he would come out with a new song, I would immediately take my camera and make a music video of the song, and my 12-year-old self would just lip sync to all of his songs. And what I would do is I would videotape.
Yo.
I call him my husband. Like whenever like.
Husband?
How
are you?
Oh my God, you're great.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Good to see you.
I've been dying to hear his voice live. I'm working 2 jobs right now just to score tickets to see him.
Like, what if I was
honestly.
like right here in your face? Like, I was like this close. What's up? How are you feeling?
I tried my hardest to get meet and greet tickets. It's all I wanted. Like my goal since 2010. I would dream of being his one less lonely girl.
How you doing? Good. Come here. Yeah, I'm real. You can touch me. What's your favorite new song? You like Sorry?
Yes, I love it. I
like-
literally pretend I'm in the music video at home. This is my confidence.
Good. That's good. That's awesome. You know what this is?
For your concert that you're having here?
Doing like a bunch of songs.
Thank you so much.
I literally love you so much.
And I will see you in a couple days.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Justin. I love you.
Take care, okay? All right.
This is being so real to me.
Am I dreaming right now?
All right, I'm out of here.
I can't. Ellen, I love you. Justin, I love you.
That was fun, right? All right.
Thank you so much.
It seemed like you enjoyed that.
We sure did.
Thank you
No,
so much.
thank you.
Thank you.
Oh my God, thank you so much. I love you.
Made our life.
Like
Like literally.
Okay. You're welcome. All right.